Teacher Shiela. American Accent. Wonderful Tonight by Ella Nympha.
Hi everyone, I'm your American accent tutor. My name is Sheila, and we're gonna put an accent here on this song, Wonderful Tonight by Ella Nympha. Okay? So, ooh, we go to a party. We go to a. So we're gonna put a glide here, the W glide to a party. And this T, we're gonna change it to D. Party. We go to a party. And everyone turns to see. And we're gonna omit this D and connect this N and D. And everyone. And everyone turns to see this beautiful lady. Beautiful. Change this T to D. This beautiful lady. This beautiful lady that's walking around is me. That's walking. Omit the G and connect the N and A. Walking around. That's walking around is me. Omit the D and around is. Around is me. Then if he ask me, then if he asks, glide, why glide here? He asks. Connect the two words, he asks. Then if he asks me, do you feel alright? Do you feel alright? Feel all. Connect the feel and all. Feel alright. And I say yes. And I. Omit the D. Connect the N and I say yes. I feel wonderful tonight. Okay? So, thank you for watching.